Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix online safety with Norton, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Norton website URL. Once the page loads, look for the sign in option. Enter your account credentials to log into your Norton account. If you don't have an account, find the Create Account button to set one up. After logging in, you will be taken to your Norton dashboard. Look for the Setup or Download option. Select the device you want to protect, such as a computer, smartphone, or tablet. Follow the prompts to download the Norton software on your device. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open the Norton application. You will see various options on your dashboard for different security features. Look for the Internet Security option to configure your online safety settings. Click on Settings to customize your protection preferences. Make sure to enable features like Safe Web and Secure VPN for enhanced protection. If available, set up the Parental Controls feature to monitor and restrict content for children. Check the firewall settings to ensure it is activated to block unauthorized access. Run a full system scan to check for any existing threats on your device. Allow Norton to remove any threats it detects during the scan. Familiarize yourself with the identity theft protection options offered in the dashboard. Make sure to enable alerts for any suspicious activities linked to your accounts. Review and update your security password using the Password Manager feature. For ongoing protection, enable automatic updates to keep Norton software up to date. Periodically return to your Norton dashboard to review security reports and alerts. Regularly perform system scans to ensure your device remains safe. When browsing online, be cautious of unfamiliar links and websites even with Norton protection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.